How to install the iMagic Smart Lock. The iMagic Smart Lock is easy to install. To complete the installation, you'll need a door installed into a door frame, a Phillips screwdriver, and 4 AA batteries. Most doors will come pre-drilled with a 2 1/8 inch lock body hole, a 1 inch lock cylinder hole, and a 5/64 inch strike plate mortise. If your door does not have the pre-drilled holes and mortise, you will also need the appropriate sized hole saw, spade bit, power drill, hammer, and chisel to make the required holes and mortise. You can use the included template as a guide. Start by unboxing all of the iMagic Smart Lock components and referring to the included installation guide. Before beginning the installation, be sure if you have a doorknob installed that it's set to the unlocked position to avoid locking yourself out during the installation process. Step 1. Insert the deadbolt and faceplate assembly into the appropriate opening in the door edge, being sure the up marking on the deadbolt is facing upward. Then, attach the deadbolt securely to the door with 2 included faceplate screws. Step 2. Slide the outside housing onto the face of the door into the appropriate opening. Be sure the tailpiece aligns properly with the cam slot in the deadbolt. Next, slide the mounting plate onto the inside of the door, feeding the tailpiece and wiring harness through the appropriate openings. Attach it securely to the exterior housing with the 2 long screws. Use the key to make sure the lock is operating smoothly. Step 3. Determine if your door is left or right-handed by identifying which side the hinges are on when the door is swung inward. Then, adjust the left or right switch on the interior housing as needed. For left-handed doors, the thumb turn should be horizontal when the deadbolt is extended. And for right-handed doors, the thumb turn should be vertical when the deadbolt is extended. Step 4. With the battery cover removed, bring the interior housing near the assembly and attach the wiring harness. Feed the wiring harness through the slot into the body of the assembly. Then slide on the interior housing. Turn the thumb screw to make sure the lock installed properly. Attach the housing securely with 4 screws. 2 screws side by side just below the battery tray, 1 screw at the top, and 1 screw at the bottom. Step 5. Insert 4 AA batteries into the battery tray and reattach the battery cover. Attach the strike plate and dust box to the door frame with the included screws. Use the key to test functionality, and adjust as needed to ensure the door opens and closes smoothly. Also, check that the lock itself easily locks and unlocks using the thumb turn when the door is closed. You have now successfully installed the iMagic Smart Lock. Refer to the setup guide for further instructions on pin code and fingerprint configuration.